Guys, welcome back. From this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or activate a product by using our My Product page. First of all, I'll show you. Here you can see a product and this is now active. Now let's see what will happen if I deactivate that product. Here's that product. And now I click this button and now it is deactivated. Now let's see it's in home page. Here now you can't see that page product. So this is how simply product activation and deactivation is working. If I activate this product again and check here you can see that product again. Likewise, we can change the status to activate, deactivate at any time from this part. If I show you in database, I have given ID 1 to the deactivation and ID 2 to the activation. Now let's see the coding part. In my product.php page, in this div, inside this div, I have created that product activation and deactivation button. First of all, inside this PHP query, I have taken the ID from the selected data variable and I have given onChange attribute to start this function change status by taking the value of ID in selected data variable. And again using PHP script, I have taken the value of status ID of selected data variable and check whether it is equal to true. As I mentioned before, 2 means activated and 1 means deactivated. So from there we will check whether the card is activated. If it is so, then we will display inside a label. We will take other ID also through this selected data variable and again we will check whether the status ID is equal to. If it is equal to true, then we will display make your product activate. Otherwise, we will display make your product deactivate. And we go through the bottom. Here's the on-click event which we created the send ID function. And now let's see how this onChange function is working. And here we have start this change status function and take the ID. From this part, we will take the value of ID and assign that value to product ID. And using this new XML HTTP request, we assign that to the variable R. And using this already state change through this anonymous function, we will check whether the R is ready. R's ready status is equal to 4. By taking these values, we will directly send those values to the change status process.php page without using a form. So we use this get method, and if we check this change status process, first of all, I have linked our database to the page through this connection.php, and I have taken the value from this IDP and assigned that value to the $product ID variable, and using this query I have taken the all value from product table where the ID is equal to the value of $product ID, and assign that value to the $product rs, and using these numbers I have taken the values of number of rows of $product rs and assign that number to the $product num, and from this if condition we will check whether the number of $product num is equal to 1. If it is so, we will fetch that $product rs and take that value and assign that value to the $product data. And using this status ID, we will take that value of status ID of $product data and assign that value also the $status. Using this if condition, we will check whether the $status is equal to 1. If it is so, then we will update our product table and set status ID as 2 where the ID is equal to the $product ID value, and we will echo this deactivated. If the status is equal to 2, then we will update the product table by setting up the status ID as 1 where the ID is equal to the value of $product ID, and we will display this activated text. If this function is not happen, we will echo this something went wrong. In this database product, you can see all these IDs are activated now. Now I'm going to deactivate some products. I'm going to deactivate this one, and this one, and this one also. Now let's check database. I'm refresh. Now you can see this status changed to 2 in here and here also. Now those products are deactivated. And again I'm going to activate them. And if I check the database and refresh, you can see it's changed again to the 1. This is how we simply activate and deactivate our products by using this little query. And thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.